Okay, this might be the craziest thing I've seen all week. What if I told you that an AI tool now exists that can create full videos, script, voice, visuals, everything, just from one sentence you give it? No editing, no recording, no skills needed. Sounds fake, right? Well, it's not, and it's called Invideo AI. By the end of this video, you'll be able to make a full YouTube video or TikTok in 3 minutes, and it's 100% beginner-friendly. So, Invideo AI is an online platform that uses artificial intelligence to turn your text prompts into full-blown videos. I'm talking about script, voiceover, visuals, transitions, even background music. This is like having your own video production team, except it's just one AI brain. Click on Try Invideo AI and sign up. It's free. Let's say I want to make a video titled Top 5 AI Tools That Will Change 2025. I just type that in and hit go. Boom, it generates a full script. And here's the crazy part. It sounds like something a professional YouTuber would write. It auto-selects a voice, and you can change the style. Plus, it matches visuals to the script using stock footage. You can edit things if you want, but even without edits, you can download and post it. It's that good. This isn't just for YouTubers. Marketers can create product ads. Educators can make mini lessons. Students can do presentations. Freelancers can sell video creation services using just this tool. Now, it's not perfect. Some visuals might not fully match the script, and the free plan has some limitations, but for beginners or busy creators, it's a goldmine. AI is making video creation easier than ever, and the people who jump on this early will win big. So are you gonna watch, or are you gonna create? Hit the like button if you found this valuable. Drop a comment with what you'd use Invideo AI for. And of course, subscribe for more game-changing